Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back. This is Sierra, and I have little man here with me.
Hi.
Anyways, we're just sitting at the petrol station right now, and I was thinking about Vlogmas, and I thought maybe I should just make this video now before I change my mind. So if you're watching this video, it is currently December 1st, and that means it's time to start Vlogmas. And I have done Vlogmas on my channel, I think the last 2 or 3 Christmases. To be honest, I don't really remember. I'll have to check. I'll put those playlists up in the cards for you guys if you guys want to see them. But my first year I did Vlogmas, I did really well. I made a video, I think, almost every day in December. I think I made it until about the 20th or something, and then ran out of ideas, and then eventually uploaded them later. And then last year, I think I made it not all the way through, but I think I only made it halfway through as far as video numbers. So anyways, I want to talk about what I'm going to do this year, just because I want you guys to know what's going to be going on, so you guys know what to expect and everything. So I love doing Vlogmas, as I've already said, but this year I'm not going to be doing Vlogmas in the traditional sense, meaning I am not going to be uploading a video every single day in December for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's just a lot of work, and I feel like every year I have a little pressure on myself to do Vlogmas right and put up a video every day, and I feel like it just kind of disappoint myself every single time when I don't do it. And the other reason that I'm thinking about not doing Vlogmas in the traditional way is because I felt like last year was my first Christmas with our son, and I felt like, I don't know what even the right words are to explain how I was feeling, but in some ways I felt like it kind of took away from the holiday and the season for our family, or at least for me, not really for our family. They said they didn't notice, but I felt like it took away from the season for me a little bit, just because I was spending a lot of my time editing videos for the internet rather than enjoying Christmas movies as much as I wanted to, and spending extra time drinking hot chocolate and just doing Christmassy things. So basically what I'm trying to say in all this rambling is that yes, I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year, and I'll be uploading a few more videos than I usually do, but I'm not going to commit to doing it every single day, just because of the fact that I want to spend more time enjoying the season this year. I'm in a new country, and I just want to experience the joy, and I don't want Vlogmas to accidentally steal my joy, if that makes sense. Anyways, what you can expect this year is I am hoping to upload 2 or 3 videos per week. I don't want to commit either way, just because life happens and there's a lot going on right now in Yorkshire around the holidays. But today we're filming a video in Manchester for the Christmas market, so stay tuned for that. I'll link that in the cards when it's ready, and I don't know when I'm going to get that edited or when it's going to come up, but that'll be there for you. And I hope that you guys enjoy my different take on Vlogmas this year, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.